cooking apa?
Right, now we can actually take out the fish. Look at the beautiful color. Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have one piece of beautiful siakap fish tail. This is cut off from a 5 kg wild siakap. Very, very nice. You should really try it. After I'm going to, every time I see this, I actually feel like deep frying it. Yeah. So once you deep fry for this kind of fish, and with this kind of size, the skin will actually become like keropok, very crispy. All right. So we're going to deep fry today. So first of all, you make few slits on the fish body here, and then sprinkle a little bit of salt, which I already did earlier. And in order to reduce the splattering of the oil, you want to use an oil absorbing paper, either an oil absorbing paper or a kitchen towel. I'm using kitchen towel. Why do I say oil absorbing paper? Right, wipe it dry so that it doesn't have much moisture. It is the moisture which is going to make the oil splattering. Right, so so first you prepare some smoking hot oil, and then you can slowly put in the fish. So meaning you only put in the fish when you start to see smoke coming out from the oil. That is showing you at least minimum 180 degrees Celsius and above. And look at the size of the pan and the fish. This is the reason why I bought this particular deeper pan, because it is on purpose, for the purpose of frying fish only. See, just nice. So next thing, don't touch the fish. Let the fish cook for, fry for at least about 2 hours before you want to flip it over. So this is after approximately 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to slowly flip the fish over. And we shall give another side another about 2 minutes or so, or 2.5. Look at the beautiful golden brown after only about 2-3 minutes. I'm moving the focus. So you can only get this kind of golden brown when you have sufficient temperature for the oil, which is smoking point. Yeah. Don't use too low heat. If you use too low heat, the fish can actually break quite easily. Let me slant the deeper pan a little bit so that the oil can cover the fish a bit on the thicker side. This is after another 2.5 minutes. Let me quickly just flip one last round. Look at this beautiful golden brown. Let me show you a bit. Push it up. Okay. Look at this beautiful golden brown. Look at this. You can imagine how nice it's going to taste. Alright, let me see this after another about close to 1 minute. Let me see the other side. Alright, should be good enough. I just want to brown the front part a little bit. This is personal preference, you don't have to do this. I like my fried fish crispy. Right, now we can actually take out the fish. Look at the beautiful color. Look at this. Super, super aromatic. Right, that's how simple it is to fry a fish beautifully. Look at how beautiful it is. Golden brown. Yeah. I hope you like my very simple video today. By the way, I'm going to eat it with some chili padi and light soya sauce and probably a little bit of fish sauce. If you like my video today, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.